Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I did a 3D model of the underwater explosion with two explosive charge. Here you can see the charge, TNT charge here, and the Koine Dam, which is made with concrete and CDP model. Here is the foundation rock model with Johnson Hellquist. We have water here and we have air here. If I click on animate to check the result, you can see the detonation and the wave propagations here of two explosive charge. And let me to use free edge, it is better. You can see to have a better view of the wave. And here the foundation failed here, and this is, we can check now the compressive and tension damage for this. And let me check it again and run it again. Check the compressive damage. See, this is the compressive damage, the tension damage. It is fully damaged. You can see, and the failure happened in the rock here. We can check the damage for the rock. You can see it here. We can check the ductile damage for it. You can check it. Now let me check the stress. This is the stress, and in the stress, let me check the pressure wave. See the pressure wave. You can see it here. This is the pressure wave. We can check it here like this. This is the pressure wave, which is spread in the water and impacted to the dam and the foundation, rock foundation. And let me now check the pressure again in the water now. See, this is the pressure in the water. And you can see the collision here of two waves, and we don't have anything here because both waves arrive together and they have a different direction, but here they have the same direction. Okay, we can check the stress in the dam and in the, let me just replace the dam. You can see this is the stress in the dam. It is too much. And the pressure, the stiffness degradation. See, or anything else. Let me replace now this and check the velocity. The velocity wave. See, this is the velocity wave, and we can use view cut manager. See, we can use this or this or this. See, this is the TNT expansion. Okay, and this is the model of the underwater explosion. At the same time, we have two explosions at the same time here over the foundation, rock foundation, concrete dam, gravity dam. We have air as ideal gas here, water, TNT charge, anything else in this model. So if you need to model the explosion with Eulerian method, Eulerian-Lagrangian method, you can come to our website www.abacusfm.com, find the English tutorial here, click on the title. You will have the definition of the geometry and the parts here, then material method, step interaction, and the load mesh, anything as figures. You can see them here. The cost for the CAINP and English video file and reference paper is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to tell you about the purchasing process. Also, we have the Abacus full package, contains around 430 tutorials, contains all things about the simulation modeling, and you can provide them here. And this is the title of the package. This is the best and the biggest package about the simulation because it contains all things about the simulation in Abacus and all field of the engineering. The cost for that is so affordable for a student, teacher, and engineer. Just contact me through this email, then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for your attention.